Welcome to our channel. 100 Canva techniques in 100 days. Open Canva. Search poster. Create blank. Background color. Choose color. Go to upload. Upload image. Click on BG remover. Do slightly big. Duplicate. Go to flip on top. Flip vertical. Take down. And adjust with mouse. Go to transparency. Decrease transparency level. Go to edit. Click on blur. Increase intensity. Go to element. Search shadow. Scroll down. Choose shadow. Right-click. Layer. Send to back. If this Canva trick helped you, please like the video. Subscribe now. Day 30 to get even better.